Now students, have a look on illustration number 35. A and B entered into partnership with capitals of rupees 4 lakh and 2 lakh respectively and agreed to share profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. Their partnership deed provides that interest on capital shall be allowed 6% per annum. So 6% of 4 lakh means 24,000 and 6% of 2 lakh is 12,000. Total we need 36,000. One important line is written here and it is to be treated as a charge against profits. Means we have to give the interest on capital and it should be given out of profits or losses even. Charge means we have to pay it and prepare the relevant accounts to allocate the profits in the following alternative cases. So you totally need 36,000. In total you need 36,000 and the profit of first year is 80,000. Profit of first year is 80,000. So this is a charge. For charge you will prepare profit and loss account. For charge you will prepare profit and loss account. You will give interest on capital 24 and 12, total 36. So after deducting 36 from 80, you will be getting remaining profit 44,000. And this profit will be divided among A and B in the ratio 3:2, their agreed ratio. In appropriation account, the profit is always distributed in appropriation account. In normal cases, interest on capital is also written in appropriation account, but it is written that the interest on capital is a charge against profits. So all charges will be recorded in profit and loss account only. This was the first question. First part means you were having 80,000 profit and you have to give 36,000. You have paid. 44 was left. For 44 you have prepared appropriation and you have divided that appropriation in the ratio 3:2. Second part, if profit for the year is 20,000 means you have to pay 36. It is a charge, but the profit was only 20. Profit was only 20. You have to give both the things because this is a charge, and for this you will prepare profit and loss account obviously for charge. So you will be getting a loss. 36,000 you was to be paid, but you are having only 20,000. 16,000 will be your loss and it will be divided among the A and B in their agreed ratio 3:2. And in last case, if loss are there, you are already having a loss of 20,000 but you still have to pay the charge yet to be paid, either there is profit or loss. Again you will prepare a profit and loss account. You will prepare a profit and loss account and you will write the loss of the year is 20,000 and charges you have to pay 36. Total loss will be 56. It will increase your loss because there was already loss and this was already a charge. Charge is a thing which we have to pay whether there is profit or loss. So we have paid. Total loss becomes 56,000. Thank you.